What do I keep in my toolbox to reseal and repair aquariums? Coming up right now on Tank Therapy. Okay, let's take a walk down what I keep in the box. This is has been my go-to razor blade scraper for a long time, but the rubber's coming off, getting time for a new one. So in our next video, we're going to be trying out this Titan brand razor scraper, this Sure-Built heavy duty razor scraper on a handle. We've got those are the basic tools of the job. I also keep some of these caulking tube covers. Keep the silicone fresh. I always keep a few cheapy scrapers. These are from the dollar store. I don't use them very often because the quality could be better. I keep a putty knife. Now all four of these are part of a Pro Caulk kit. These rubber guys. I've actually purchased two of these kits, and these little red caulking tube end covers also come in the kit. It's a little bit spendy, but it's worth every penny. These let you get rounded corners. That doesn't do us much good because we don't want the caulk that far in. Square corners, big corners, little corners, you name it. We have our super fancy professional grade orange tape that I pick up at my local Sherwin-Williams dealer from Al. Al is the manager of the store and a super great guy. Reached out to me one day randomly, been doing business with him ever since. Got this guy down at Home Depot. This is a caulking tool. Can be used for manicuring the corners, a little bit of light scraping, but what I like is this metal part right here. If you're real good and careful, helps to get into the corners, helps to break apart stubborn beads. I keep an assortment of razor blades and it changes regularly. Keep two glass cutters. Sometimes we have to custom make bracing and things of that nature. This is one most people wouldn't talk or don't talk about very often. I find it really useful. This is a dental pick. Helps to get inside those little crevices where silicone has gone bad. You got a little algae in there. It's actually between the glass. You really need to get in there. That helps a lot. And then an assortment of razor knives. Most of these are super cheap. I would not pay a lot for these. I break them. They're plastic. This guy was not very cheap, and I popped the tip on it a couple of times. Don't use it very often, but every now and then you need to put a little oomph behind something. So that's what goes in the box. This is an old camera case. Had it for a bunch of years. Doesn't fit my DSLR. I think I had a Canon S3IS in it. One of these days I'm actually going to glue these in to separate the razor blades from the tools, but for right now they're floating in it. Alright, so that, ladies and gentlemen, is what I keep in my reseal and aquarium repair kit, my little box, including the box. Now I do have a caulking gun. I use a Cobalt professional grade caulking gun just because it's comfortable. I've got it. It actually wound up in my tool bag. After giving a guy a ride home. He never came back the next day, left his stuff in my truck. After about a year trying to get a hold of him, I've still got your stuff. If you're out there, you're listening, you're watching, I still have your caulking gun. So yeah, that's what I use. And that's it. That's what I carry. That's what I use. And here in just a few minutes, I'm going to start using some of this to work on the peel and seal on this hexagon aquarium right here. So that's what I carry in my aquarium repair kit. If you've got any number of these things, you can repair an aquarium too. Till next time, I'm Handy Matt. This is Tank Therapy. We'll see you next time.